How's it everyone? I hope you're keeping well and staying safe during this time of this pandemic. As you know, my name is PreshaanD and this is Tech Scenes Edit. And today we're looking at the Nikon D3200 DSLR. If this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell too because you're so late. This is the Nikon D3200. It is a 24.2 megapixel DX format DSLR Nikon F-mount camera which was officially launched by Nikon in April of 2012. Some of the key features of this is obviously its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor with 12-bit resolution. It does 1080p Full HD movie. It has a 3-image video processor, active delighting, automatic chromic aberration correction, image sensor cleaning functions by vibration and airflow control, and image area pixels is the DX format which can be adjusted between large, medium and small. And it supports storage media either SD, SDHC, SDXC or UHS 1. So it does support GPS interface by direct geotagging supported by the Nikon GP1. Let's move on to some of the pros and cons of this camera. One of the biggest pros for me was its battery life, which is suggested at 505 pictures, but I've done more, almost 1,000 in like a 3-hour shoot. Its weight, which is 505 grams. The fact that it supports ultra high-speed memory cards. It has a built-in flash. It has face detection focus, and obviously its max resolution of 24 megapixels. It also supports raw image processing. Some of the cons. It has a fixed screen. It cannot do time-lapse photos. So some of the cons. It has obviously a fixed screen. It does not support time-lapse recording. It has no image stabilization and no environmental sealing. So it's not suitable for tough conditions. And obviously it's rather large. It's rather large body. So this camera was marketed as an entry-level DSLR camera for beginners and experienced DSLR hobbyists who are ready for more advanced specs. This product was discontinued by Nikon, so which means if you are watching this, you're purchasing it second-hand. So if you are purchasing it second-hand, you need to look out at the price range, which obviously should be around 3,000 Rand, but besides that, besides the outside appearance, you should look at the shutter count because this camera has a shutter life expectancy of 100,000 photos. So you need to be wary of that because replacing the shutter is quite expensive. So final verdict, great for someone to learn photography. It takes excellent pictures and videos. And because you're purchasing it second-hand, it is convenient for you with it being cost effective, and if you change your mind about photography or it does not get used much, you won't waste a lot of money into it. In conclusion, this is an awesome product used as a beginner. It allowed not just me but my sister Tashmika as well as my cousin Aveshkar to learn the use of a DSLR. I've mainly used it for video but have taken out a substantial amount of photos which can be seen in my vlogs, which the link to all my vlogs can be found up there in the YouTube cards. So at the moment, we're in the middle of a 12-day road trip adventure to Cape Town, and coming up this Sunday is day 8, which is a really awesome day, and I suggest you go ahead and check that out because you are going to enjoy it. And that brings us to the end. So I'd like to give a shout out to EXP, Ruan, who is a great person and an even better or even amazing graphic designer. Rohan's been helping us, well, helping me a lot here, and he's been teaching me the ropes for thumbnail creation and the creativity side. And I'm sure you would have noticed that in our thumbnails, how much better they've become. So that's why I've decided to give Rohan a shout out. He's a really good friend. I regard him as a really good friend and an even better mentor. So please check out his channel. It's linked up there as well as in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And getting subscribed if you're unsubscribed already, turning on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is PreshaanD, and I will see you in the next video.